Welcome to Gab Sessions with Stephanie Marie, aka Gabbie. This is a space where we talk business, growth, and the messy middle of entrepreneurship, with a little real life mixed in. Every week, I'll bring you clarity, confidence, and momentum to help you create your version of success. Grab your coffee and let's dive in. Fewer than 90 days left in 2025. Can you believe it? 90 days. That's all the time you've got between where you are today and how you're going to walk into 2026. And here's the truth. Most entrepreneurs will waste it. They'll get distracted by the holidays or they'll put off their goals saying, I'll start fresh in January. But if you do that, you've already lost 3 months of momentum. Q4 isn't the end of the year. It's the reset button. It's your chance to build clarity, consistency, and daily wins that stack into real growth. So hit January running, not starting over. Yesterday, on day one of our Q4 CEO countdown, we started by auditing your tools. Why? Because momentum doesn't start by adding more. It starts by clearing the clutter, removing what's not serving you. And today, on day two, we're going to build on that. Because once you simplify, the next step is to protect your time. Here's the reality. Momentum doesn't just happen. It's created. And it's created by showing up consistently, even when the holidays hit. Most entrepreneurs will check out. They'll let the parties, the traditions, the distractions run their calendar. But the ones who win, they block it all in advance. They time block the fun, the family, the hot cocoa night, and then they guard their CEO hours just as fiercely. That's what gives you the advantage. While everyone else is waiting until January, you've already built the habit of showing up. Think about it. By doing these small 1% actions daily, you're creating a compound effect. Day one, you simplified. Day two, you protected your time. This isn't about hustle. It's about consistency. It's about setting yourself up so that when you look back at the end of December, you see a trail of action that added up to something big. Clarity, momentum, and progress towards your version of success. Here's your action for day two of the Q4 CEO countdown. Block your calendar. Go through October, November, and December and add every holiday, every family event, and tradition you already know about. Now look at the white space. That's your CEO time. That's when you batch content, nurture your pipeline, and stay consistent. Because if it's not on your calendar, it's not happening. And when you protect your time now, you'll glide through the holidays with momentum while everyone else is using them as an excuse. And here's the best part. You don't have to do this alone. Inside Business Growth Society VIP, we're walking this countdown together. For years, I've worked one-on-one with VIP clients, but I've wanted more entrepreneurs to have access to high-touch coaching without the one-on-one price tag. That's why I built Business Growth Society VIP, a group coaching experience designed for clarity, consistency, accountability, and action. The doors have just now reopened, and I am so excited. So if you'd like to be a founding member, you'll lock in a very special price as a founding member. You'll be part of the first group shaping this community, and our very first coaching call is happening in a few weeks. So don't wait until January. Don't start over. Start now. Take these daily 1% actions with us and finish this year strong. Join me and join Business Growth Society VIP today. The link is in the show notes. Let's grow together and let's create your version of success. Thanks for listening to Gab Sessions with Stephanie Marie. If today's episode gave you clarity, confidence, or momentum, hit subscribe and share it with a friend who needs it too. Want to go deeper? You can join me inside Business Growth Society or email me at stephaniemarie@gabbieandcompany to see how we can work together. Remember, stop overthinking, start building, and create your version of success. I'll see you next time.